Hello, I'm just going to share quickly about how to use Canva to design different items. So, for us who are not talented graphic designers, Canva is a great tool. So, I'm just going to share my screen. And so, first, I Google search canva.com. This is what you would get. So, it's like canva.com, and you can sign up using Gmail, any email account, or Facebook or Apple. I use email. So, oh, great. Okay. And there we go. Yeah, and then so you can definitely design anything, presentation, something on like Instagram post or a poster or Facebook post, flyers, logos, and so you can go to these. So in our case, let's say for example, we want to design a flyer. You can go here and where it says flyers, or you can just come here and say yeah. So that could be one. And you can put as much information as possible. It could just be just like a typical poster. I can have actually images of different tiers. So you can also have like a second page where maybe now you put images of like tier, jetty, tier, Arash, and like the little blurb as like the second one. And then when you save it, you can actually save it as either like a PDF or as just like an image, or it can also be animated. You can actually animate this. And when you click on it, it shows you how it's gonna come out. I actually like this Tumblr here. It doesn't have it. Yeah, so when you click on it, it tells you how it's gonna look like.